guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste.
And we are
A&C with a twist.
Today we are going to be making cinnamon sugar soft pretzels. And I have made these before by myself, but today I'm going to be having my sister help me. I'm going to have my sister help me out. Before we start this video, make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Now,
Let's get baking! Let's get baking!
bacon. Now let's get baking. We're going to be doing this in the mixer, or you can use a hand mixer or just use the spatula.
Our ingredients today are yeast,
Salt,
brown sugar,
sugar,
milk,
cinnamon,
butter,
baking soda.
and all-purpose flour.
Let's go bake. Okay, let us start. First, we're going to dissolve the yeast. So we need 2 cups of warm milk.
Can I have the measuring cup?
Now we pour the milk into the bowl. Next, we're going to put in a packet of yeast. We're going to stir it up and let it dissolve for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Now that the yeast is dissolved, we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to add the butter. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of flour and 2 teaspoons of salt. Teaspoons of salt. 1 and 2. It's time to mix it up. And it should be a weird texture, so that's okay. After it is mixed up, we're gonna add in 3½ cups of flour, but we're gonna put 1 cup at a time and mix it. It should look like this when you have 2 cups of flour in. Now we're going to add in 1½ more cups. Mix, mix, mix. Mix them all now. Mix, mix, mix. Mix them all now. Mix, mix, mix.
Angela!
It should form a sticky dough whenever it is finished mixing. So now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for about an hour. This is our dough after letting it rise. It has filled up the whole entire bowl. I'm going to lay out our dough onto a clean surface. Oh, it's stuck to the paper. We're going to section out the dough into 12 to 14 balls. Come on, get out of here.
Get out of here!
Get out of here.
Flour me.
Make sure you have flour on your surface because it is a very sticky dough. Okay, let's section the dough. Big. Fluffy. Ow.
It feels so nice.
So now we're going to shape the pretzels. So we start with a ball and then we roll it out into a long skinny rope. Then we make it into a U and we cross it at the top. So then you have an O. Then you fold the crossed pieces to the bottom. Stick them. And it should make a pretzel shape. Like that. And In a separate bowl, we're going to put in 3 cups of warm water and 1/3 cup of baking soda. And then we mix it together. We're using this mixture for whenever you finish shaping your pretzels and you're going to put them on the pan, you have to dip them into here and then put them on the pan before you bake them. Now we're going to shape the rest of the pretzels and then we'll dip them into this mixture and put them on a pan with parchment paper. Since all our pretzels are formed and they're ready to bake, we're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. We're going to bake them for 7 to 11 minutes or until they're golden brown. The next thing we're going to do is melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a bowl. We need a brush for the butter, and then we need another bowl. And we're going to put 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1/2 cup, pour that in. This is our cinnamon sugar mixture that's going to go on top of the pretzels. I have the pretzels out on plates like this, and we're going to top them. So we're going to take our bowl with butter. We're going to take a brush and brush the butter on top of all the pretzels. Next, we take our cinnamon sugar mixture and we're going to dip each pretzel into it. I'm going to make half with cinnamon sugar and half just plain. Now they're ready to serve. Time for a taste test. You can try one first. What do you think?
Mine's very spongy.
Good.
Can I try this one?
Sure. Whichever one.
Spongy. Okay, it's not too hard, which I like that way. Tasty. Good job. There you go, girls.
Thank you. I'm going to try one. That's really good. And that was our soft pretzels with a twist. Bye.